Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You act fast. Stop using the iPhone so deleted data isn't overwritten. Once done, enable flight mode and power it off briefly to freeze writes. Make sure you have a Mac or PC with at least 5 GB free and a good USB cable. Download and install a reputable iPhone data recovery tool on the computer. Connect the phone to the computer, trust the machine if prompted, and launch the recovery app so you can start a device-level scan immediately. You start the deep scan mode because a factory reset erases indexes. Deep scanning rebuilds file fragments and carved data. Once the scan begins, keep the phone connected and avoid interrupting. This maximizes recovery odds. Make sure to monitor the progress percentage and let it reach 100%. After scanning, use the app's preview to inspect recoverable photos, messages, and contacts. Then selectively mark what you need. Restoring fewer items reduces conflicts and speeds up final recovery to your computer or back to the device. You should export recovered items to your computer first so you preserve raw files and avoid overwriting. Once backed up locally, try restoring selected data back to the iPhone using the app's restore feature. If it fails, make sure to try another USB port or cable, restart both devices, or run the scan again with different settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if the tool can't access the device, enable Trust on the phone and update iTunes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.